Hello guys, welcome back to app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to reset Cricut Joy. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, in order for you to reset your Cricut Joy here, there are a few steps that you need to follow. So the first thing that you want to do here is to prevent damage later on. What you need to do is you need to turn it off first. So in this case, turn off your Cricut Joy and unplug it from any power source that you have it connected. Next is you want to basically gently move your carriage here back and forth at least 6 times. So this actually helps reset the internal mechanism. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and plug in your Cricut Joy again and turn the machine back on. And basically, what you need to do is you want to test it. Now, if you're having connectivity issues, you might want to go to your device Bluetooth settings, forget the Cricut Joy, and try reconnecting it again on your device. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. See you later. Thank you for watching.